Hi, my name is Amy with WTI. This is the elitehood iPad floor stand, and I want to share a few of the things that I love about this. There's only 2 steps to assemble, so that went really quick and easy. And I love how the base, it really keeps it secure so you're not worried about it tipping over. And it has this beautiful, sleek, unintrusive presence about it that I really like. And the height is adjustable. Look how tall this gets. It's crazy. Here's a closer look at the neck, and you can tilt it up and down. You can swivel it 360 degrees. This clamp is gonna hold your device right where you want it. And I wanted to show you how easy it is to switch from your phone to your iPad. In this gooseneck, it's so hardcore. I mean, I can put it into any position I want, and it holds my device without any sagging. I really love that. And my son's been using it to hold his Nintendo Switch too. This elitehood iPad phone stand is something that really every household could use. Whether you're a video creator or you just like to snuggle up in bed or on the couch and have some hands-free time, this is going to be something that you'll love. But that's just my point of view.